Gabi Pilipinas, so narito na muli si Intay Maharlika para magbigay sa inyo ng panibagong Peso Sumada nationwide dated for June 7, 2024. So it's already 11:20 PM na po ng June 6. So 2 to 10 kasi ang sked ko at I'm still waiting kung sino po yung magpapasumada. Pero wala pong nagpapasumada yun, kaya ang gagawin na natin is Pecha Sumada. So para mapabilang kayo sa ating every submission, o ganin lang po nating magbigay ng ating resulta mula first draw, second draw, and third draw together with your provinces para ganatin mahanapan ng tamang interval to make you win. At like itong hintayin every 7 PM to 9 PM for this week as 2 to 10 ako, pero next week is 6 to 2 ako ulit. Anyway, here we now are Pecha Sumada nationwide dated on June 7, 2024. Kaya halina, samahan nyo akong magbigay ng panibagong lucky numbers. Let's start now! So, narito na ating Pecha Sumada dated on June 7, 2024. Araw ng mga batang lalaki. So, here we now sa ating given number na 67. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay batang babae at batang lalaki. And here we know sa ating legendary 2024 ang magnanakaw ng sasakyan or sadyang nagwawala sa tahanan. Sa ating number 6 ay number 2337 na ang ibig pong sabihin niya ay matandang lalaking mapagmata. And why I choose 2337? Because of 2 plus 3 equals to 5 plus 1 equals to 6. And here we now for our number 7 is number 2410. Ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay may bilog na sasakyan. Sa ating number 28 is number 1532. Ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay may parating na kagandahan. And here we now sa ating 24 is the number 1734. And here we now for our first lucky numbers, of course, 23 minus 37 is equals to negative 14 and 24 plus 10 equals to 34. So our first lucky number, we have the number of 1434 na ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay nahulog na sasakyan or tahanan dahil sa kalamidad. And here we now for another lucky numbers. Of course, 15 minus 32 equals to 16 and 17 minus 34 equals to 17. So our second lucky number is 1617. And of course, here we now for our very strongest number for today, June 7, 2024. Of course, 14 minus 34 equals to 20 and 16 plus 17 equals to 33. So our strongest number for June 7, 2024 is number 2033. Maging ang 2011, 26, maging ang 33-6, 33-11, 33-20, or 11-6. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel para kayong updated. Ako, si Intay Maharlika, ang nagsasabing gising-gising dahil sa bawat umaga ng paggising as a new beginning of a new blessing. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.